Hello, today's video lesson is on how to use your camera to record your lessons in Safari Montage. As you can see, I've already logged into the platform and I am signed to my classroom. I am going to go to my dashboard and click in DVR. Once I click in DVR, it's going to show me any recordings that have been shared, the recordings that I've done, but since I want to record, I am going over here and I'm going to click on Schedule a Recording. As mentioned in previous training sessions and in other literature that we have shared with you, the best view for you to record is the quad view. So I'm going to click on the room number, and it is going to bring me to this window, and now I can actually schedule my recording. I'm going to look for this blue dot, and it says schedule recording. It's asking me to agree that I have permission to do the recordings, and because it's my classroom, I do. So I will click agree. Up here, the title for the default is going to be your room number, your school, and that it's in the quad view. For right now, we're going to leave it like that, but if you want to change it to the particular date, you can do that. So, you know what? As a matter of fact, I'm going to change it to today's date. And I'm going to leave the description, but if you wanted to put your particular lesson title there, you could do that as well. But I'm just going to show you how to do it, so I'm going to leave the description there. The start time is going to be, we're going to start this recording at 12 o'clock, and we're just going to do a quick recording for 30 minutes. Now, please note that the maximum amount of time that you can record for is 2 hours. So if you want to record for 2 hours, you would go over to hours, change that to 2, and you'll notice that this automatically jumps over to 0. But we want a 30-minute recording, so I'm going to go back here and make a 30-minute recording. It tells me that I'm recording at Spalding High School. And if this is something that you would like to do every day, you go down to this drop-down menu and you'll see that you have several options. You can record once, you can record daily, you can record weekdays, or you can record weekly. My suggestion is for you to do weekdays, because if you do daily, it is going to record in your classroom on Saturday and Sunday. So you would choose weekdays. If you wanted to record every day, but this is just going to be a one-time thing for me. So I'm going to choose once. And now I am ready to schedule my recording to happen in my classroom, and then I will be able to go back and view it. As a side note, if this is something that you want to do every day for all of your classes, you will have to go in and set up a recording for each of your classes. If you're an elementary school teacher, you'll record it for the duration of your class period. You know, if it's 55 minutes or if it's your reading block, then you would set it for that amount of time. Hopefully it's less than 2 hours. If you are in our secondary schools, you could just set it for the time that you have your block schedule. But for today's purposes, I've set a recording for 12 o'clock for 30 minutes. And now what I'm going to do is schedule a recording. And now I know that my recording is going to happen. And the way that I can find that out is to go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to go to NDVR. And remember earlier, this is the page that you saw, and you saw all recordings, my recordings. Now you can see that I have one scheduled for today beginning at 12 o'clock. So today's video, quick lesson on how to record a video using Safari Montage.